Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this video, we are going to check out JasmyCoin's price chart. And it seems like that everything is going according to the plan. And right now, at least, we are absolutely on the bullish track. Why? Because if you remember, in the previous update, we were, I believe, right around here. And the idea was that in Jasmy, most likely, this is a 1, 2, 3. And the current move is just a correction. And after it's over, we are going to have another good move up into this wave 5 right in here. Now, this scenario pretty much played out, but now I'm going to say maybe this isn't actually the end of our wave 4. Let's go on 5-minute time frame. And again, I feel like I should say this in every single video. In my own time, I don't usually go on such lower time frames, but this is for the sake of educational purposes, so I'm thinking it's fine. Okay, what do we have in this area? In my opinion, this is kind of a strong move on the downside, and this can be some sort of a flat structure. So I want to tell you on a higher degree, maybe a correction has started from this point and the end of it is in here, and it can be possibly in form of a WXY, a flat and a zigzag. And I know right away you are going to say in a flat and a zigzag into our wave X, we are not allowed to take this initial high about 1.9 cents. And I know, but I do like to be a bit flexible with the rules because honestly, I have seen these structures playing out way too many times. So if you don't want to consider this, that's absolutely fine. I respect your opinion. One way or the other, at least in my opinion, this is a correction for wave 4 and what is happening from this point, because this is kind of the key. So let's actually zoom in more and see what is going on. Okay. So I think it's very important to understand that this point is actually the lowest low between these two. Why is this important? Because I'm going to tell you this might be either a flat structure or maybe an ABC, generally not an impulsive movement. Having said that, I believe that, yeah, this can be like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up with probably a wedge structure into our wave 5, and on a higher degree, maybe this is into wave 3 and the current move might be a correction for 4 and then another move into wave 5. If you don't want to consider this, that's absolutely fine. Once again, I respect your opinion. Let's say, okay, this is the beginning of our wave 1, and even in this scenario, well, okay, I think we can all acknowledge the fact that this is a beautiful 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into a wave 1, into wave 2, and once more the conclusion is the same. This is an impulse into wave 3, and there's a very high chance the current move is going to be a correction for 4, and after it's over, what are we going to have? I'm going to say probably another move up into wave 5, which on a higher degree is going to be into this wave 5, and then, fair enough, I'm going to be open to some decent downward price action. But for now, I do have my doubts about this initial move down being an impulse, and I'm going to tell you in a bit why. And overall, I want to tell you this is most likely a correction and our move up may not be over. Is this a trading opportunity? Absolutely not, because it seems like that we might be on our way to complete the last leg of this move, which trading it is extremely risky. And in that phase, odds of you losing money is, I promise you, much more than you making some. So this is not tradable, but I do think we're going to go up. Now, let's zoom in more and see what is happening. And do we all agree that this is a 3-wave movement, potentially in form of an ABC zigzag, maybe like a triangle structure into wave B? Yeah, okay, it is possible. Also, I think it's very clear that this is yet another ABC, and so far, if you want to say this point is the low of our correction into wave 4, well, okay, what do we have? Maybe a WXY in form of a flat and a zigzag. What if we get a move down and even in that move we take this low? Even at that point, I think we are still able to identify a corrective movement, as long as, this is important, we are not taking these important lows about, let's say, 1.8 cents. If we take them, okay, that can be a bit of a different story, and at that point we should probably count on having some deep moves on the downside in order to reach to about possibly these areas, about like 1.6 cents for the first target, but we may actually go all the way back down here to around the 1.5 cents area. I think that is possible, but again, as long as we are not doing that, I think we need to count on a continuation of this move on the upside. Now let's go on some higher time frames and see what is happening in terms of Elliott Waves overall. So I think we can say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up to about this point, followed by that this can be a correction structure, either a WXY or maybe an ABC, whatever you like. It's not really that important. Now in Jasmy, we can consider two scenarios and they are kind of similar, but there is a very important difference in here. We can say this is a wave 1, correction for wave 2, and this move is going to get very extended because it's actually going to be into this wave 3, and then we're going to have correction for 4 and yet another beautiful move on the upside into wave 5. Can we have another scenario? Yes. In that scenario, the overall structures are going to be the same. However, in the short term, we're going to say we're going to have a move on the downside. Why? Because this can be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And since we are maybe on the last leg of this move, we can say, well, okay, this is into a wave 1. And then we are going to have a relatively deep move down into wave 2. And again, pay attention. This 1 and a 2 is going to be on a lower degree relative to this 1 and a 2 in here. And then you can expect a massive move up into wave 3 and 4 and 5. Question, what's the difference between this and the previous possibility? This scenario right in here, sure, maybe in like very short term for the next couple of days is going to be a bit more bearish. However, overall is actually much more of a bullish scenario, indicating this move is going to get extremely extended. In the other scenario, sure, we can get a move up from here, but our wave 3 at that point may not be as extended as the one that we can have potentially in this possibility. So for now, I'm considering these two scenarios as our bullish ones. Now, every analyst at any given moment should have a bullish and also a bearish scenario at the same time. So what is going to be our bearish one? I think we can also say in Jasmy, maybe we are having, starting from the lowest low, just a simple A, B, C zigzag, which the subwaves for it are going to be like this. 5 up into A, correction for wave B, maybe ABC, maybe WXY, possibly even a triangle, not important, and then another 5 wave up into wave C. Now let's go on the live chart and count some waves. So by the first look, it seems like that this move is like much smaller than this one right in here, and it might be, but pay attention, this chart is actually on logarithmic scale. If I just put it on regular, okay, now all of a sudden, let's hide everything. As you can see, this move up does seem to be kind of similar to this move right in here. And since this is a 5 wave, this is another one, well, okay, we can have a beautiful and simple A, B, C zigzag in here. However, I do not like to consider this as my primary case at the moment. Why is that? Because this move up seems to be quite a strong one, which is a characteristic of a wave 3 and not the C leg of an ABC zigzag. Also, most bullish scenarios in JasmyCoin are going to get invalidated the moment that we see a move down, a very strong one, maybe like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in order to take this important low about, let's say, 1.45 cents. And as long as I'm not seeing something like this, I think for me makes sense to be more optimistic than pessimistic. Okay, sure, if we get a move down and do something like this, at that point I am going to change my tone a bit. But even at that point, I promise you, I'm not going to be all of a sudden overwhelmingly bearish. No, I'm going to wait a little bit more for a move on the upside and pay attention to the shape of this move. Why is that? Let's go around here. You see, there is a scenario in Jasmy, a bullish count that suggests maybe we are having an ABC expanded flat, which looks like this. This is our initial move down into A, correction for wave B, which in it we're going to take this side, and then another move down into our C leg. And in this phase, we're going to take the low of our wave A. And for our subwaves, ABC down into A, ABC up into B, and you know the deal. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down into wave C. Now let's go on the live chart and see what's happening. So let's assume for a minute that we're going to get a very strong impulse on the downside. At that point, I think I might be able to tell you, let's actually go on a less busy chart, maybe from Coinbase. There we go. I might be able to say maybe starting from this point, we are having ABC down into A, and this can be an A, B, C on the upside into wave B, and then like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down into our ceiling. This scenario can still happen, and this, believe it or not, suggests we are still bullish, and this is like a 1, 2, and the next move is going to be a massive one up into wave 3 and 4 and 5. And again, let me be very clear. In my opinion, odds of this scenario happening is really not that high. So between my bullish possibilities, this is actually going to be the last scenario. But since again we want to be 100% objective, I think I need to show you every single possibility that we are allowed to have in JasmyCoin. Now, if we get something like this, okay, what is going to happen after this flat if we are bullish? We're going to get from here a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 very strong move. On the other hand, what if we are bearish and this is just a simple A, B, C zigzag? At that point, you are going to see in this phase a move up short, but this is going to be a slow and choppy move, and after it's over, you're going to see a continuation of the move down. That's why I said we need to pay full attention to the shape of the move if we do something like this, which in my opinion is quite unlikely. So let's have a quick conclusion and wrap up today's update. In JasmyCoin, so far everything seems to be going according to the bullish plan, which is fantastic, and I think there's a good chance in like very short term we are having a 1, 2, 3. The current move down is a correction for 4, and we're gonna get possibly at least another move up into phase 5, and in it we may reach to about this important area of supply between 2.4 to about 2.5 cents area. I think that can actually happen. At that point, I need you to be open to the possibility of having some deep moves on the downside, and that, I promise you, assuming that we are able to identify the right structures, is not going to be a bearish sign at all. Okay, this is the point that I'm trying to make. Nothing goes up or down in a straight line. Even if we are looking bullish and optimistic, it seems like that we are on our way to complete this impulse, and after it we are going to have some sort of a move down. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in JasmyCoin's chart. Anyway, if you found any value in my content, I would really appreciate if you like this video and consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Twitter. And if you want more, maybe you want a complete analysis for your own specific crypto, or maybe you want to learn some decent TA in order to be able to make good money in the markets, you can become a member and ask me anything you want. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time with your family and loved ones. Goodbye.